everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we will discuss about the winter care of our house plants or indoor plants. Basically there is no season that is harsher on plants and flowers other than winter. With cold climate and bad weather means that it cannot be difficult for our blooms to survive. So let's get started. So first of all, sunlight. The most important requirement for the plant in winter, that is sunlight. So give them light. We all need light, and it's hard to get a lot of light when the days are short, like they are in the middle of the winters. So what we can do, we should move the plants closer to the windows. For that we have to clean the windows so that the sunlight can transfer easily. Wash the dust of plants so that the leaves can easily make their food from the sunlight, and try to use artificial lights if you can. The second important factor is watering. Now it depends on the type of the plant and soil and weather. However, soaking every 2 to 4 weeks is normally sufficient. So the most common problem on house plants suffer from the winters is overwatering. So when you do water, never allow the plant to sit overnight in the water that collects in drainage saucer. Try to water the plant once a week or once in 2 weeks, whenever the need is there. Now you have to check if the plant requires water or not. Poke your finger inside the plant and check it out. If it is dry, then your plant needs water. Other than that, no need to give water to plants more in winters. Now the other factor that is important is fertilizer. We normally fertilize our plants in summer and springs, but in winters we actually don't need fertilizer. In mild climates, continue to fertilize, but in coldest climates where the natural light levels are so low, don't fertilize the house plants. Now you can resume the fertilization when the outdoor plants wake up. The other important factor is pruning. Pruning is basically trimming, or how you can make your plant more healthy, bushier and white. So winter growth can be leggy. So don't prune your plants by trimming or by cutting. You can pinch the plants to promote the branching or bushiness. I can give you the link in the description box. I have made a video on the whole method of pruning. And the last important factor that is important is repotting. Please don't repot your plants in winters. The ideal time for repotting is summer or spring. So try to take care of your plants, because they are actually your babies and you are a plant parent. You know very well that it feels very happy to make your plant go healthy. So focus on these points which I told you and try to keep them in mind during this season. I hope you'll definitely learn something from these points, and kindly update me. If you have any kind of query, do ask me in the comment section. I hope you guys like my video. Kindly click on the subscribe button and click the bell icon. Thank you so much.